It has truly been the honor of my life to work with you for the dignity and equality of transgender people for the past 20 plus years. Yeah. And, I remember very well 31 years ago when I first started working in this movement. I was a brand new attorney. I remember noticing right away the attorneys at Glad Law, Mary, Gary, Ben, shortly after that, Jennifer, and thinking to myself, wow, these people really know what they're doing. I was so impressed by the meticulous research, the thinking, the strategy, and care they put into their cases. And I really, literally remember thinking to myself, yeah, I want to be like these people. This is how it's done. And it was so thrilling to work with Jennifer and Mary and Ben and Gary on marriage equality, and not just on the litigation. I mean, that was exhilarating, but just on the bigger picture about how do we talk about LGBTQ people and our families in ways that will resonate with the broader public and just break through, millennia of stigma and scorn. Jennifer and I go way back on this issue, back to the 1990s when we both attended legal conferences on transgender issues that were put together by Phyllis Fry. Sorry, y'all, I was crying, so I don't know, okay. Who's now the first openly transgender judge in the country. Yeah, amazing. I mean, I was so thrilled to meet Jennifer at those conferences, and then when she started working at Glad Law, to watch her just bring one groundbreaking case after another. I mean, the first federal case to hold that transgender people are protected by federal sex discrimination laws, the first case on behalf of a transgender student, the first case involving bathroom access. You saw that with Nicole Maines. And there's many more. And then Jennifer and I did have a chance to work together on the first case challenging Trump's transgender military ban and represent Nick, Talbot, and others. And the harm that was inflicted by that ban was horrendous, but being able to highlight the service and the sacrifice of transgender people who are willing and able to serve in our nation's military, it really shifted the public perception of transgender people in just a hugely positive way. And now those gains, of course, are under just ferocious attack, but there's no one I trust more to navigate this moment than you, Jennifer, and all the attorneys and staff at Glad Law. And what a perfect time, really. I mean, it's just so perfect for Glad Law to welcome Ricardo, formerly from my state of Texas, where I still live, as its new leader, at the very moment when our national movement is now facing the same bitter struggles that our community in red states like Texas have been facing for some time. It's just such a powerful combination to bring like this very battle-hardened red state warrior together, Ricardo, that's you, together with the vision and leadership that Glad Law has shown in blazing new trails in blue and purple states for so long. That's a powerful combination. And there's a reason that Glad Law and NCLR are litigating together right now in Alabama and Florida, because that's where we need to be right now. And now more than ever, our community needs the brilliance and commitment and creativity of this organization. And as usual, you all are stepping up and offering the leadership that our movement and our country really so desperately need. And thank you all for supporting Glad Law. I could not be more thrilled and honored to be in the orbit of this truly great organization, to be working with this extraordinary individual. And I thank you from the bottom of my heart for this award. Thank you.